Hello, 5th grade. It's Mrs. Trangia with the Citizenship Academy. We're on Domain 5, Lesson 14, Closely Reading Informational Texts, Idioms, and Adages. Our objectives for today are to interpret and explain the meaning of unknown words of common idioms and adages, to use correlative conjunctions when writing sentences, and use and spell words with the root serv. Our vocabulary for today: literate, able to read and write fluently; ransom, money that is paid to free someone who is captured; anxious is nervous and worried; linger, to wait around or stay longer; and vulgar is impolite, crude, and inappropriate. You're going to independently reread the chapter that we've already previously read. Remember, we reread chapters to get a better understanding of it, and sometimes we can catch things that we missed previously. So make sure you reread very carefully and thoroughly. Okay, our word work for today is linger. After the twins were born, Shakespeare did not linger very long in Stratford upon Avon. Linger means to wait around or stay longer, and it is a verb. So we're doing a quick review of our correlative conjunctions. Remember, when we use correlative conjunctions, we're using the two words inside of one sentence, and they oftentimes have a function. So either an or and neither nor have an alternative, means they are opposite. If you have this choice or this choice. When you're talking about both and not only but also, we're saying in addition, meaning they're together. So they work in pairs. So after dinner, we can either play a board game or watch a movie. Notice how those are showing your options. The baby could neither crawl nor walk yet. So that's showing how they can't do either. Both Lou and Nader are absent today. So both and. Benny is not only smart but also kind, showing how not and but are adding those together. So the root serv means to save, protect, and or serve. So here are some examples. The school offers many programs to help students and their families. That's a service. The government passed a law that prohibits the cutting down of trees in the forest in order to keep the forest safe. So they're preserving the forest. The mayor thinks the student group should get a reward for their community service. They deserve an award. In an effort to save electricity, the family made sure all the lights were turned off before they left their home. This means to conserve. They were conserving energy. That's the end of today's lesson. We will see everyone in lesson 15.